Missy. I've not put out a video in a little while due to the COVID-19 crisis. It's thrown me off a little bit, but I'm back on track and we're going to start with something nice and simple with the mini roses. So this tip has already been coated in Halo gel polish, cornflower, and it's been cured. I'm then using my striping brush which I've rolled through some French white gel polish, again Halo, and I'm just adding some stripes on. You don't have to do this step. I quite like the mini roses incorporated with stripes and dots. It just gives more of a Cath Kidston kind of vibe, but you don't have to do that. They look cute enough as they are. So then I'm just dishing out onto a separate palette the colours I'm going to use for the roses, which is French white, teal, wisteria and wild fern. Can't talk. So I get a large dotting tool and I'm literally going to blob wherever I want the roses to go, and I'm not going to cure this layer, and these are really uneven circles, so not even really a circle, uneven blobs. And I'm not going to cure that. I'm going to get my detail brush, which I've dipped into French white, and I'm going to swirl it round like a little mini Swiss roll. And this doesn't have to be perfect. It's just going to swirl into the product. We're going to do that to each of them. See, nice and swirly. I didn't like the middle of that, so I just gave it a bit more of a swirl, and that will go into the lamp and can just be flash cured for 10 seconds for now. As soon as that comes back out, I then get a tiny dotting tool, the tiniest one I can find, and I'm going to dot where I want the leaves to be, and I'm dotting those in teal. And then this next part, I pick up wild fern, which is a lovely pale green. You could use white if you wanted to, or a yellow, or not pick up any colour at all at this point. But then I use my brush, which has got that colour on, to pull those dots through to a point, which just gives you a really easy leaf shape. And like I say, you don't have to add any more colour at that point. I just like it because it adds a bit more depth. And then pop it in for a full cure, at which point I then top coat. I like Halo's non-wipe top coat. Means that I don't have to wipe it off afterwards. And put it in for a full cure, and we are done. There you go, my mini roses, nice and simple.